You can make your nails look expensive even with cheap nail products. So about 50 pence worth of nail products, and we can end up with a set that looks like it's cost you at least 50 quid. So this is one of the finished set, and I think it's really pretty. So I've done two, get off, I've moved out of the way. I've done two with white, 2 coats of white, and I'm going to put each, I don't know what order they'll come in the set as yet, but that's a little bit short for the whole nail, so I'm going to go on the diagonal, so I'm not even cutting a lump off, because I want plenty of green and plenty of pink. So I'm going to go like that. Come here. So I've just done a coat of Sparkle Supplies foil gel. See if we can get a full cover on this. I think we have. I think that's looking quite good. Just rub it till you're happy. And see it releasing. So I'll lift, I'll hold it and lift. Let's have a look. No, this bit. Yeah, I've got it. That line still on here. Might have been a little crease. Oh, that's good, it's pretty. Oh, now look what I've done. Get off. Good job that we're upside down. So that's that, and we'll do this one. That's great, that one. Lovely. So, I think I'm going to want a full nail in this green. I think that looks gorgeous. So, we'll have a full nail in this. The thing about foils is your nails can look right striking with very little effort, can't they? That's why I love it so much. There's so many. Although I think I've probably exhausted most of the things that are out on Temu and Shein and stuff. I think I'd have to look more expensive or further afield to get something a bit different. That is pretty, isn't it? So I've done 2 coats of that green. It's gorgeous. And I did pull out this little 3D flower, which is a bit jelly-like. It's quite firm, but not dead stiff. In the meanwhile, I've been thinking about doing this for a bit. So I'm going to use these. So I'm going to use these stickers, but then I'm going to use some rhinestone glue gel over them. So I've been wanting to try this for a bit to see if they will look a bit like the 3D stickers. No. Oh, 3D flowers. So I'm going to put on this bright one, I think. So that's that. I think that'll go well. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I don't know. I'll peel it off here and that'll make my mind up. I'm going to do that and cut that top leaf off. That's what I'm doing. That's it. Yeah. That'll do. I'm going to freeze in between. Right, so I'm doing alternate petals on this, and then I'll freeze in between. What's that? There we go. Alright, so I'll keep doing these, alternating, and then I'll come back. So I've finished them. I've done 2 or 3 layers on in some places, and I've just kind of frozen them in between, but yeah, I think they look just like the other 3D flowers, but if you've only got flat stickers, there you go. I might just stick some little leaves on, don't know yet, but I've put some black and white gel on there, and I've got this little dotting tool which I thought was really fine, but actually I'm going to use the pointy end of these old tweezers because I just want to put some little dots in the middle of that. But I'm going to wipe off that tacky layer first from anywhere. I could have done the background matte and those in glossy, that might have been nice. So I'll wipe that tacky layer off so it doesn't spread in it. And I'm going to put some little black and white dots on. So if I move these away from my lamp, I can bring that back in over there. That's it. So get the right end. So there's some little white ones first. Look a bit like strawberries, them top ones. Yeah, like that. I'll freeze that and then I'll put a little bit of black on, I think. And one down there. So, where's my doubly? That's here. On there. Oh, turn over. On there, and one there. Yeah, that's what we're having anyway. You could do this with any flowers, couldn't you? You could do it with roses or anything. Yeah, and definitely strawberries, because they look a bit more like strawberries now. They're made to be look fat. So I think this needed brightening up with more pink and then maybe some more white, I don't know. But I'm going to use, I've used this, I've done 2 coats of this, which is a Morda MD012, lovely Nat from Glam Slam Nails. Sent me a set of Mordas before I even got any of the side J's. She sent me these to try and I loved them, and they're very, very similar. So I've used 2 coats of that, which is gorgeous. And then I found this out. I thought I'd got some parrot stickers and that, but I haven't. But I've got this foil that's got bright colours. I remember when I went to Mexico, I think we went to Xcaret, to the park and that. We did snorkeling and all sorts, me and Nikki. Just me and my daughter went. And some of the birds in the gardens were absolutely phenomenal. Beautiful they were, with that leafy backdrop and everything as well. They were gorgeous. So I'm going to put some birds into this. So that's going on that pink background. So I've just cut that out. Won't get the whole of it on, but we'll get enough on. So I might add something else to the bottom as well. But for a start, let's thingy bob, foil glue this. So I'm going to have this one up at the top here. I want to get as much of his tail on as I can. There, I think. Yeah, oh, pretty. I like that. I like that. And then, like that. So I am changing this up a bit. I've done the whole thing in, what's it? Foil gel. And I'm just going to stick on some of these. I've isolated them, cut them out. I'm just going to stick some of these butterflies on. I hope they're on. Have a look. Yeah, that's one. Yeah, like that. I like it. I think I'm going to do them in, let's do it in matte again. And I'm just gonna, I've got a bit of top coat on there, and I'm just gonna pick out those butterflies. These birds. Decided to do a French on this, so I'm going to use this M008 as a nail bed colour. So just a jelly nude. That's enough. And then I'm going to paint around there with some transfer foil. Transfer foil glue and put the green leaves on. Or should we have that one? Oh, God. So I wiped off the tacky layer anyway. I'll go with this green one, I think. Like that. Right, so I'll matte all of that first. So here they are, all done. Probably less than 50p worth of stuff. Got loads of stickers and foils left for next time. I mean, these were a set of 10. I think there were a couple of designs on each piece, and you got 10 pieces, so 20 designs. Cost me about £1 off Temu. And then stickers. I mean, I got 2 sheets of them. I think they're about 97p for 2 sheets. So, yeah, I hope you like them. I think that's really elevated them. If you want to see me do any more videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've enjoyed it, click the like and leave me a comment. Let me know, have you got a favourite nail? Have you got a favourite? Would you have gone with matte and gloss or all gloss or all matte? Yeah, I think they were super pretty. I always wish I'd done them for me when I do things like this. So, thank you again. Love you to bits. Love you loads. See you soon. Take care. Bye.